Hey, Leo. What are you doing? You're chilling in your couch? Huh? You're so funny. Pretty little baby. He's death staring you, Dylan.
Oh.
He's like, why'd you take me from the laundry room? I was going to escape through the roof.
Actually, he was just content to just chilling on a box.
For
He
now.
was one of the boxes up high, but he was just laying in there.
Loony Loon. Hippie girl. He's like, I'm over this. Oh. Heaven forbid I don't, acknowledge Riker. Hey, Riker? Hmm? Leo! Hi, pretty boy.